Hello students, today we are going to study third method of numerical integration, that is Simpson's 3/8 rule. Formula for this rule is integration a to b f of x dx is equal to 3h by 8 in bracket y0 plus yn. y0 plus yn means first element and last element, plus 3 into bracket y1 plus y2 plus y4 and so on, and plus 2 into bracket y3 plus y6 plus y9, where h equal to b minus a upon n. इथं h साठी फॉर्म्युला आपण b मायनस a अपॉन n घेतो. ट्रॅपेझॉइडल रूल असेल, सिम्पसन्स 1/3 रूल असेल किंवा 3/8 रूल असेल, h चा फॉर्म्युला सेम आहे. ट्रॅपेझॉइडल रूल, सिम्पसन्स 1/3 और सिम्पसन 3/8 तीनों के लिए h का फॉर्मूला सेम है, h इक्वल टू बी माइनस ए अपॉन एन. 3/8 रूल है इसलिए h को 3/8 से मल्टिप्लाय किया. 3/8 रूल असल्यामुळं h ला आपण काय केलं, 3/8 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं. y0 प्लस yn मीन्स फर्स्ट नंबर एंड लास्ट नंबर. उसके बाद क्या करना है, 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3. 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 मीन्स y3 प्लस y6 प्लस y9 प्लस y12 एंड सो ऑन. मतलब यहाँ पे फर्स्ट और लास्ट हो जाएगा 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 और 3 इंटू ब्रैकेट जो बचे हुए एलिमेंट्स है, मतलब y1 y2 y3 यहाँ है, y4 y5 y6 यहाँ है, y7 y8, ऐसे ये सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में आएगा 3 इंटू. तो अभी इस फॉर्मूले के ऊपर कुछ एग्जांपल्स डिस्कस करते हैं. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, इवैल्यूएट इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 2 dx upon x cube plus 1 by using Simpson's 3/8 rule with n equal to 4. So first we write integration a to b f of x dx is equal to this given question 0 to 2 dx upon x cube plus 1. If we compare these two, lower limit a equal to 0, upper limit b equal to 2, f of x is 1 upon x cube plus 1 and value of n is given in the question, that is 4. Now we have to find h, and formula for h is b minus a upon n. b minus a means 2 minus 0 upon 4. So 2 minus 0 upon 4 means 2 by 4, and 2 by 4 means what? 0.5. 2 by 4 means 0.5. Now x, f of x, value of f of x is 1 upon x cube plus 1. First number 0, and 0 is value of a. First value is lower limit, last value is upper limit. First value is lower limit, last value is upper limit. लोअर लिमिट 0, अपर लिमिट 2, और ये बीच के जो वैल्यूज है ये कैसे आएंगे, तो ये लोअर लिमिट में h ऐड करते जाओगे तो कहाँ तक ऐड करना है, जब तक हमें अपर लिमिट नहीं मिलता तब तक. फर्स्ट 0 प्लस 0.5 0.5, अगेन 0.5 प्लस h मीन्स 0.5 प्लस 0.5 1, अगेन 1 प्लस h मीन्स व्हाट, 1 प्लस 0.5 1.5, and last 1.5 plus 0.5 means 2. These are the value of x. If you put these values of x in this f of x, we get all values of f of x. So first, if you put 0 instead of x, so 0 cube is 0. So x cube becomes 0. So what is remaining? 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 means what? 1. So for x equal to 0, our f of x is 1. For x equal to 0, our f of x is 1. Now, second value, 1 divided by bracket. Here x means 0.5. So 0.5 cube plus 1 bracket complete equal to 0.4 times 8. 0.4 times 8. 1 divided by 0.5 cube plus 1 is equal to 0.4 times 8. Second value of x is what? 1. So instead of 1 we replace, so instead of x we replace 1. So 1 divided by bracket 1 cube plus 1 bracket complete equal to, answer is 0.5. Next value of x is 1.5. So 1 divided by bracket 1.5 cube plus 1 bracket complete is equal to 0.2285. 0.2285. And last, if you use x equal to 2, so 1 divided by bracket 2 cube plus 1 bracket complete, it gives 0.4 times 1. 0.4 times 1. First value of f of x, we consider it as a y0. Next y1, y2, y3, y4. Now, using Simpson's 3/8 rule, formula a to b f of x dx 3h by 8 in bracket first number last number, first is y0, last is y4. So y0 plus y4 plus 3 into bracket, 3 into bracket क्या लिखना है? 3 के मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 छोड़कर बाकी के नंबर्स, मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 अगर छोड़ दोगे तो क्या बचेगा? y1 y2. सो 3 into bracket y1 y2 plus 2 into bracket multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 एक ही है, y3. So this is our Simpson's 3/8 formula. Now we will put values of y0 to y4. 3 into h is 0.5. h 0.5 upon 8. y0 plus y4. First bracket y0 plus y4. y0 1, y4 0.4 times 1. Plus 3 into bracket y1 y2. y1 0.4 times 8, y2 0.5. This is y1 plus y2. And last plus 2 into y3. y3 is 0.2285. 2 into y3 means 0.2285. 3 into 0.5 upon 8. First we calculate this. 3 into 0.5 upon 8. It gives 0.1875. 0.1875. और ये जो ब्रैकेट है पूरा, ये ब्रैकेट एज इट इज कैलकुलेटर पे टाइप करोगे तो ये 5.7345 आंसर आता है. इतना डायरेक्टली टाइप करना नहीं है, तो पहले सिर्फ ये ब्रैकेट टाइप करो, आंसर लिखो, सेकेंड ब्रैकेट का आंसर, थर्ड ब्रैकेट का आंसर, और फिर एडिशन करो, यही आंसर आएगा. नाउ लास्ट 0.1875 into 5.7345, it gives 1.0752. So our final answer, integration 0 to 2 dx upon x cube plus 1 is 1.0752. Now second question, evaluate integration 0 to pi by 2 cos x by dividing the interval 0 to pi, by dividing the interval, यहाँ पे 0 to pi by 2 चाहिए, dividing the interval 0 to pi by 2 into 4 sub intervals, First we write integration a to b f of x dx equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. Now we compare this. Lower limit a equal to 0, upper limit b equal to pi by 2. Value of n. In question it is given that 4 sub intervals. 4 sub intervals means value of n is 4. And f of x means what? Cos x. F of x is what? Cos x. Now we find h. Formula for h, b minus a upon n. b minus a, b pi by 2, a 0. b minus a means pi by 2 minus 0 upon 4 is equal to pi by 2. ये 2 डिनोमिनेटर में है, तो ये 2 अगर डिनोमिनेटर में शिफ्ट करोगे तो 2 इंटू 4 क्या होगा? 8. सो वैल्यू ऑफ h इज पाई बाय 8. न्यूमरेटर का डिनोमिनेटर अगर होता है तो वो डिनोमिनेटर में ही जाएगा, तो ये 2 डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. सो 2 इंटू 4 इट बिकम्स 8. सो आवर h इज पाई बाय 8. Now we prepare a table to solve this example. First we take x and below that f of x equal to cos x. Our lower limit a is 0. Now we add value of h. So 0 plus pi by 8 means pi by 8. 0 plus pi by 8, pi by 8. Again we add pi by 8 plus h, and h is pi by 8. So pi by 8 plus pi by 8, 2 times pi by 8. Next 2 pi by 8 plus pi by 8, it becomes 3 times pi by 8. And if you add 3 pi by 8 plus pi by 8, it gives you 4 pi by 8. And 4 pi by 8 means what? Pi by 2. 4 pi by 8 means what? Pi by 2. And this is our upper limit b. तो क्या किया हमने यहाँ पर? लोअर लिमिट 0 लिया है और उसमें h ऐड करते गए हम. h पाई बाय 8 है, 0 में पाई बाय 8 ऐड करो पाई बाय 8, फिर से पाई बाय 8 ऐड करो 2 पाई बाय 8, फिर से पाई बाय 8 ऐड करो 3 पाई बाय 8, फिर से पाई बाय 8 ऐड करो 4 पाई बाय 8, एंड 4 पाई बाय 8 मीन्स व्हाट? पाई बाय 2. एंड दैट इज आवर अप्पर लिमिट. प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आपण हेच केलं की लोअर लिमिटनी सुरुवात केला. इथं लोअर लिमिट आहे 0. या 0 मध्ये h ॲड करत जायचं. पहिला h ॲड केला पाय बाय 8, तर 0 प्लस पाय बाय 8 पाय बाय 8 मिळतं. पाय बाय 8 मध्ये परत पाय बाय 8 ॲड करा 2 टाइम्स पाय बाय 8, परत पाय बाय 8 ॲड केला 3 पाय बाय 8, 4 पाय बाय 8, अँड 4 पाय बाय 8 मीन्स व्हॉट? पाय बाय 2. अप्पर लिमिट मिळेपर्यंत आपल्याला h ॲड करत जायचं. नाउ we use values of x. If you put x equal to 0, then f of 0 means cos 0, and cos 0 is what? 1. F of 0 means what? Cos 0, and cos 0 is 1. So we directly write f of 0 means first value of f of x is 1. Now second value of x is pi by 8. So instead of x we put pi by 8. Cos bracket pi by 8 means what? 1 pi by 8. Next 2 pi by 8, 3 pi by 8, 4 pi by 8. So instead of pi by 8, we type 1 pi by 8. Because 1 pi by 8 and pi by 8 both are the same. So 1 into pi means 180 divided by 8, bracket complete. Cos 1 into 180 divided by 8. It gives you 0.9238. 0.9238. 1 into pi by 8. ये 1 into 180 क्यों किया है? क्योंकि नेक्स्ट वैल्यू जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो सिर्फ हमें 1 की जगह पे 2, फिर 3, फिर 4 इतना ही रिप्लेस करना है. तो वो कैलकुलेटर पे रिप्लेस करना आसान है. इसलिए हम स्टार्टिंग में ही 1 इंटू पाई बाय 8 मीन्स 1 इंटू 180 डिवाइडेड बाय 8, 0.9238. Now second value we use 2 pi by 8 instead of x. So cos 2 pi by 8 means 2 into 180. You scroll this cursor and replace 1 by 2 equal to. So it gives you cos 2 into 180 divided by 8, that is 0.7071. Now next value 3 by 8, we replace 2 by 3. So instead of 2 we press 3 equal to cos 3 pi by 8, 0.3826, 0.3826, and last 4 pi by 8, and cos 4 pi by 8 means what? 0. So we find all values of f of x. F of 0, f of pi by 8, f of 2 pi by 8, f of 3 pi by 8, and f of pi by 2 means 4 pi by 8. First one is y0, then y2, y2, y3 and y4. y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. Using Simpson's 3/8 rule, formula is integration a to b f of x dx equal to 3h by 8. First and last number y0 plus y4 plus 3 into multiples of 3 छोड़ के multiples except multiples of 3, that is y1 and y2 only. So 3 into bracket y1 plus y2 and plus 2 into bracket multiples of 3, that is only y3. Now 3h, so 3h means 3 into pi by 8 upon 8 in bracket y0 y4 1 0, y0 is 1, y4 is 0, so 1 plus 0. 3 into bracket y1 plus y2, y1 0.9238, y2 0.7071, this y1 y2, and plus 2 into bracket y3, y3 is 0.3826, 0.3826. So next step, if you shift this 8 in denominator, so 8 into 8 it becomes 64 and numerator is 3 pi. Bracket, first bracket 1 plus 0 1, second bracket 3 into bracket 0.9238 plus 0.7071, it gives you 4.8927, and 2 into 0.3826, it gives you 0.7652. Here pi means what? 3.14. टेबल में हमने जब cos पाई यूज किया तो वहां पे हमने पाई मीन्स 180 यूज किया क्योंकि वो cos का एंगल है. यहाँ पे ये एंगल नहीं है, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे हमने पाई की वैल्यू क्या यूज करना है? 3.14. सो 3 इंटू 3.14 अपॉन 64, 1 plus 4.8927 plus 0.7652. addition of these three numbers. And final answer, if you solve this 0.1471 into this, so final answer is integration 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx equal to 0.9793. 0.9793. Third question, using Simpson's 3/8 rule, find area of cross section of river if a river 80 meter wide, the depth d in meters at distance x meters from one bank is given by the following table. Table given है एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ रिवर, ये फाइंड आउट करना है हमें. इफ टेबल इज गिवन, फॉर्मूला फॉर एच is x1 minus x0. x0 means first value of x and x1 means second value of x. So x1 minus x0 means 10 minus 0, that is 10. Now we write from y0 to y8. Using Simpson's 3/8 rule, a to b f of x dx means what? Area. Formula is 3h by 8 bracket first and last number. First last means y0 plus y8 plus 3 into bracket all elements except multiples of 3. So y1, y2, y4, y5 and y7. y1, y2, y4, y5 and y7. Plus 2 into bracket multiples of 3, that is y3 and y6. Multiples of 3 is y3 and y6. Hmm. 3h upon 8. 3 into h is 10 upon 8. Bracket y0 plus y8. First value y0 0, y8 3. 0 plus 3. 3 into bracket y1, y2, y4, y5 and 7. y1, y2, 4, 7, 12, 15 and 8. 4, 7, 12, 15 and 8. And plus 2 into y3, y6. y3 9, y6 14. So 9 plus 14. Now 3 into 10 upon 8 means 3.17. And answer of this bracket is 187. And after multiplication, answer is 701.25. So area equal to 701.25 and unit is square meter. So this is final answer. Now fourth question, the velocity of a car running on a straight road at intervals of 2 minutes is given below. Time in minutes and velocity kilometer per hour. This is value of x and this is f of x. Apply Simpson's 3/8 rule to find distance covered by car. Now again table is given. Now to find h, we use x1 minus x0. x0 means first value of x and second value of x is x1. So 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. And time is in minute. So we write 2 minute. But unit for velocity is kilometer per hour. So we have to convert this 2 minute in hours. So 60 minutes in 1 hour. So 2 minutes means what? 2 upon 60 hours. So 2 upon 60 hours means 1 by 30 hours. 1 by 30. Now by Simpson's 3/8 rule, a to b f of x dx means distance, formula 3h by 8. Now these values of f of x we consider first y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8, y9 and last y10, y0 to y10. So 3h by 8 bracket first and last means y0 plus y10 plus 3 into elements except multiples of 3, y1, y2, y4, y5, y7, y8, y1, y2, y4, y5, y7, y8 and 2 into multiples of 3 means y3, y6 and y9. 3h upon 8, h is 1 by 30, so 3 into 1 by 30 upon 8 in bracket y0 plus y10, y0 plus y10, y0 0, y10 is also 0, so we write 0 plus 0. 3 into bracket y1, y2, y4, y5, y7, y8, y1, y2, 10, 18, 29, 32 and 11, 5, 10, 18, 29, 32 and 11, 5 and last 2 into multiples of 3, y3, y6, y9, 25, 20 and 2, y3, y6, y9, 25, 22. Now if we shift this 30 in denominator, so 30 into 8, 240 and numerator 3 into 1, 3. So first bracket 0 plus 0, 0, 3 into addition of these numbers, it gives you 315 and 2 into bracket 25 plus 20 plus 2 means 2 into 47, it gives you 94. So 3 upon 240, 0.0125 and addition of 315 plus 94, 409. So final answer is 5.1125, 0.0125 into 409, 5.1125. So distance 5.1125 and unit for distance is kilometer. So this is our final answer. Now, here are few examples for homework. First one is evaluate 0 to 6 dx upon 1 plus x square by using Simpson's 3/8 rule with n equal to 6. Lower limit a, upper limit b, f of x 1 upon 1 plus x square. If you solve this, you get h equal to 1. Second, already table is given 0 to 2 y dx, x0, x1. So by using h equal to x1 minus x0, you find value of h. And third, in third question also table is given y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 from y0 to y6 and for h x1 minus x0 means 20 minus 0. तो अभी जो 4 एग्जाम्पल हमने सॉल्व किए उसके जैसे ही ये 3 एग्जाम्पल आपको होमवर्क के लिए दिया है. तीनों भी एग्जाम्पल सिंपल है, आप ट्राई करो, इजीली सॉल्व हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे अपना थर्ड मेथड सिम्पसन्स 3/8 रूल भी कंप्लीट होगा. थैंक यू.